Jeremiah Campbell here, Brickworks Property Restoration, here to announce some big news. Brickworks has teamed up with Four Seasons Ready Mix product. Four Seasons Ready Mix has been in the ready mix industry since 1950, and they've made their concrete products the same way since then. They are a full service ready mix company. So the concrete trucks that you see going down the road, now that we have a sister company, we can control the variabilities. Some of the biggest excuses concrete contractors are gonna give you is, we don't know where the truck is. We can't control what's in the truck. We can't control if they're gonna show up on time. We don't know. This is out of our control, and that's just how it is. The status quo, Brickworks is here once again to change how the industry is handled, and we are taking all of that off the plate. No matter the size of your concrete project coming up, we are able to fully handle this in-house now. And so whether it be a porch, a sidewalk, or an entire parking lot, Brickworks is the company that now has the partnerships that we can provide the quality product and the quality installation that you're looking for. If you have any concrete needs, this is residential, commercial, and industrial, give us a call today at 877 Masonry.